I got some CDs in the mail today. Two of them. Just take a look and see what's inside. I've not done a video like this yet to unbox a blind CD. The brown packing. Pearl Jam. Pearl Jam. Live on 2 legs. Yeah, cool. Number 2. Lid. That one open. Open up. Half unboxing. Blind unboxing, I guess. Pearl Jam. Live and Vital. So nice, they arrived. I'll get to do a review on both of them. Very cool. An interesting video today. Don't know what you get in the mail and the condition they come in, because you don't pick them out. But this is how I like to see them. Not like that other one that had the stickers all over it. I was a bit disappointed with the other one, but pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching. March 2019 winter. Almost end of March. Another week to go.